a lovely day in Southland, New Zealand. Just thought I'd make a wee video of the underbelly grade of blade I've made on my 80 horsepower Landini. Rams are mounted on the back of the loader frame and just go down to a bar. Then there's a tyre rod at the front just to stop the swivel from side to side. And then yeah, just two rams. A ram this side and a ram on the other side, exactly the same, pushing each other to change the angle of the blade. It's a wee bit wider than the tractor, which you kind of want. It just connects to the rear of, onto the drawbar, and I just use a stretcher strop to hold it up, just to stop a wee bit of the bounce you can get, so you're making a nice plane every time. Yeah, it works quite well. Just the two pushing rams for the changing the angle, I just run off the third surface of the loader. So I run a hose over the loader and then back and underneath it. It's a wee bit dicky, but it does the job. And then the other two are just run off the back service. As voila, and you just push the weight down as you need it. So yeah, hopefully it might help inspire some people to make their own, or yeah. Cheers for watching.